mean, come on. We are calling it the must-make project. This ghost wreath will light up your front porch for all of those cute trick-or-treaters. Our friend Jill Broadbent will tell us what we need to pull it off. I can't even believe this is real.
Fun?
This is so fun.
Yes. It's a few different ways you can approach this project, and it starts with just a wreath base. So your styrofoam wreath that you can get at a hobby store.
Okay.
And then ornaments.
Okay.
So it's everywhere. All the Christmas stuff is out.
Yes.
So you can easily find ornaments.
Yes.
I use the ones that don't break, the plastic ones. And so I did two different approaches. This one, I did these ornaments right here that you can open.
Perfect.
And fill.
Yes.
And the reason is, for this specific wreath, this idea, I felt like it was so much more fun to use these kind of lights.
What are those?
They're like tea lights, but when you string them, they're LED.
Oh.
So I put an LED in each one of these ornaments before I made the ghost. And so then, with the remote control, you can change the color.
Oh my gosh.
You can make them strobe.
Oh my gosh.
You can go green, and you can, this remote lets you do all the fun different things. You can make them orange. Or you can keep them classic white. You can even put it on strobe and it'll just flash. So your kids would have fun changing the settings and, welcoming their guests however they want. So,
okay, so tea light goes in the plastic ornament.
Yep.
Close
and
it
then
off.
So easy. All you do is cover it with cheesecloth. So you can buy cheesecloth by the yard. You can buy it in little packages. I thought it needed 2 coverings to cover the complete.
To make it opaque enough.
Yep, so that you don't see what's happening. But just go one over and then cross the other one the other way. And just a little hot glue and then let everything else drape. It's really pliable, so you can kind of just put just a tap of glue on it.
Okay.
So, and then just glue them all to the wreath. So it's just hot glue, an ornament, the lights.
Are these stickers for the eyes?
This is just glitter paper that I punched out, but you could use googly eyes, you could just do little black cardstock, anything you wanted.
With the ribbon down the middle.
But the other option for doing it is these twinkle lights that we probably all have.
Yeah.
So you can just take your regular ornaments, feed the twinkle light inside the base of that.
Just kind of ball it up.
So you could do it the same. You could put that on the wreath, or I thought it was really fun just to do a couple and put them on your candlesticks.
You've got
just
a whole
fun
club.
ways. Yep, and then you just turn these on and off with the little switch on the back. So
now, LEDs will last forever, but if these were to die out, I could just pop the bottom off.
Yep, and it's glued in. Yeah, so it's everything I could get into it that way.
This is the cutest, most genius thing. And imagine coming up, I mean, Pottery Barn and other high-end boutiques have done the lit decor for a while, but it's so expensive.
Right.
This feels super affordable and super approachable.
These come in a 12-pack, and you can make this smaller, so these ornaments could go smaller if you wanted a smaller wreath. So lots of ways to do it.
You saw the QR code on your screen, which you can scan for all of the supplies to make this project come to life, or visit the Noon Show tab on KSLTV.com. Jill, thank you.
You're welcome.
Project of the season.